one bag contains 5 white and 4 black balls, another bag contains 7 white and 9 black balls. A ball is transferred from the first bag to the second and then a ball is drawn from the second. Find the probability that the ball drawn is a white. Now one very simple sentence is written here, a ball is transferred from the first bag to the second. Now when a ball is transferred from the first to the second, color is not mentioned, so it can either be a white or it can be a black. So we have to take two different cases. Okay, so now we are having 5 white and 4 black in one bag, and in the second bag we are having 7 white and 9 black balls. These are the conditions. Now case 1, now case 1 is transferring one white ball to bag 2. To bag 2. So this is the case 1. Now let A1 be the probability of a white ball of bag 1. Therefore, A1 is equal to 5 upon 5 plus 4, total 9 balls. So it is 5 upon 9. One thing. Now this is one thing, A1. Okay. Now when one white ball is transferred to bag 2, number of white balls is equal to 7 plus 1 is equal to 8, and total balls is equal to 17. 8 plus 9, that is 17. Now probability of drawing a white ball from bag 2, let it be A2 is equal to, now total white balls are how many? 8. So probability is 8 by 70. Okay. Now probability of both the events occurring together is equal to A1 times A2, and this is equal to 5 by 9 times 8 by 17 is equal to 40 by 153. Okay. Now case 2, In case 2, what we are going to do? Transferring one black ball to bag 2. Okay. Now I am writing directly here now. Okay. So what we are having? Total black balls in bag 2 is equal to, now when black ball is shifted that side, it becomes 10. Okay. Total balls in bag 2 is equal to now 17. Now let P1 be the probability of white ball from bag 1. Then P1 is equal to, now in the P1 is from the bag 1, so we are having four by 9. Let P1 be the probability of white ball from the bag, P1 be the probability of black ball, because now we are considering black ball. First case is for the black ball from bag 1, it is 4 by 9. Now let P2 be the probability of white ball from bag 2. So P2 is equal to now 7 upon 70. Probability of both the events, together is equal to P1 times P2. This is equal to 4 by 9 times 7 by 17 is equal to 28 by 153. Required probability is equal to A1 A2 plus P1 P2. 40 by 153 plus 28 upon 153 is equal to 68 upon 153, and this is 4 upon 9 answer. Now look once more. Now case 1, transferring one white ball to the bag 2. So probability of white ball from bag 1, white ball from bag 2. Case 2, transferring black ball, probability of black ball from bag 1 and white from 2. So two cases went together. When we are getting, then it will be the required answer, that is 4 by 9.